What's up, guys? I want to give you an update. I have the newest addition to my parts collection in my room. Long block K20z3. Has 146,000 miles on it, but that's not an issue because I'm going to be rebuilding the whole thing by hand. I've already had and took the valve cover off of the car, or the engine, and inspected the rockers. They don't look too bad. Definitely need to be cleaned. Looks like water's got into it because someone took the cams out of it and they didn't plug the holes to the spark plug tube seals. Worst things though, I can just go ahead and clean it up, soda bath it, and should be good to go. But I want to give you guys a heads up what I will be doing. I will do some teardown videos here and there as I can on my free time. Just give some content for you guys to watch. Give me something to do. You know. Like and subscribe. Let me know of anything you want to see when I'm tearing this down, and I'll try to make a video of it. Later.